Okay, and we are coming back now to tell you a little bit about the latest update that Cameron has made to the electronics on the Memotion Luba 2 robot lawnmower.
And the
And
garage for the lawnmower.
oh, the garage, that's right, you're right. The garage for the lawnmower. Excuse me. Okay, so what do we have here? What are we looking at?
So we had mentioned in a previous video that I might do this, and I did this. So what we have here, I guess this is on your left, is the electronics I had originally put together. I used these prototype boards, or they're otherwise known as proto boards, to put all the pieces on that I needed to connect together to control the door. As you can see, there's a lot of wires connecting between it. And it worked, but it was a little bit flaky, and I don't know if it's a loose wire somewhere or if there's a bad solder joint or what the issue is. But I decided that I would take this and design a circuit board to replace it, which would help clean things up and hopefully make it a little bit more reliable. And so that's what we have over here.
Okay.
And so this purple thing in the bottom, the kind of the bigger purple square, is the circuit board that I designed. It has all the same components that were on the proto boards from before, but they're all neatly arranged and much nicer design.
Definitely.
Without all of the wires. And then I also 3D printed this box to put it in and have a lid and everything.
Okay.
So there are some wires that will come in to connect up to these green things here that connector block. I can't even remember what those are called, but connector blocks where the wires will come in and connect into the circuit board for the door and for the lights and things like that.
Okay. Why is this better?
Well, it's just more solid construction. I mean, with the wires, you could have, again, you could have a loose wire. If there's any vibration, you could have a wire that eventually breaks, or the wires could corrode conceivably because they're loose wires plugged into here.
Okay.
And you could just have a little stray wire whisker too that shorts out or something. So this is more of a prototype design with all of the wiring, and this is more of a almost a finished product kind of thing.
All right, so this is going to be more durable and less prone to tiny problems that can throw the whole thing off.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay. All right, and so when do you think we might test this?
Whenever we have a nice day where I can put it outside on the garage. I mean, I've tested it on my bench. I hooked it up with a stepper motor and did a bunch of testing on it to kind of make sure that I was happy with the way that it turned out. But yeah, whenever it's not quite so hot and I can get a little time to go out and install it in the garage, we will test it in the garage.
Okay, sounds good.